Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions about birthday. How do children celebrate birthdays in your country?
Children celebrate their birthday in a variety of different ways. First of all, due to the increase in technologies, children are becoming more urbanized, and they celebrate like giving party to their friends, and a lot of different things, other activities like to invite friends at home, but
Okay.
mostly prefer to visit.
Excellent. This is very good. Children are becoming urbanized. Very good thing, huh? So, how did you learn it? You created on your own?
Yeah.
You're genius, huh? Good job. Very good sentence. Children are becoming urbanized and all that. Yeah, I like it. Let's go on. How did you celebrate your last birthday?
Well, last birthday I celebrated. I invite all my relatives.
Listen, to celebrate my last birthday, I invited all my relatives.
And we have a great fun. And we had a great fun. They also kept a birthday cake for me, and I really fascinated to see the cake.
I was fascinated to see the cake. So I had great fun on my last birthday. You can add some DJs and all that stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, good. What kind of birthday gifts do you like to receive?
Well, mostly I like to receive watch, because I am a really punctual person, and I love to have a gift like watch. And
all right, that's good. So first answer was very good. Keep it up like this. Speak actively and add more.
Yes.
Right, as you love to receive a watch as a gift, define the watch, color of the watch, smart watch, this and that. Right, it'll be better. Thank you.